All right, y'all. I had to come back and show you this because I was totally frustrated that I messed it up. And now I see why I messed it up. Because, oh, should I waited a second before it came on live? I see why I messed it up. Let me put this screen big and turn off that sound. All right, so it is super easy to turn around and cut your paper to 4 4x6s by using this method. So the problem is that I needed to cut it 10 by 10. Look at it. And now that shows you, you'll have your 1 inch on this, or 2 inches on the side, and you'll have your 1 inch up here to use as well. But I had to come back and show you that it's that simple. And then the 5x7 was with the regular piece of cardstock. So let me show you real quick. So you're going to turn around and you're going to go at the 5 and stop at the 7. And so you do these measurements because then you can see coming down. So you're going to come at the 5, line your page up at the 5 here, and you're going to come down here to the 7, okay, which means you're going to put your thing between the 8, on the 8 and the 6, and then you're going to turn your paper, and you're going to do the same thing, go to 5 and the 7, and so you can already see your cut here on the paper. So you're just going to put your paper at there, and you come up, and then you're going to rotate it. See, this is what should have happened the first time. And you're going to rotate it, and you're going to cut off that, and there's your second 5x7, and you're going to turn and you're going to rotate it, and there is your 4x7s at a 1 12x12 piece of paper. Wasn't that less painful? And then you'll have this little piece cut out of the center. So how about that? Is that better now? So, and then you'll have this left over. And then same thing with the 4x6, but you have to cut it to 10 inches. All right, let me pull this out here. So that's what I messed up. So I'm going to show you. So we need it to be, see, look, we need it to be 10 inches to make up for that 2-inch difference, right? So I have to cut it off at the 10-inch mark. So cut 2 inches off your paper, and then it's a 10 by 10, nope. And then you're going to cut another 2 inches off. Let me get this out of the way so you don't get confused by these. All right, and now we're going to take and put our paper on the 4 and come down here to the 6. Okay, then we're going to turn our paper, and we're going to go to the 6, which is already cut out on our paper there, and we're going to turn it counterclockwise, come here to the 4, and then counterclockwise again to 4, and boom, there you go. You have, I was trying too hard to follow somebody else's directions, and I knew I had it right. But I did it. Yes, I did do it, Dorothy. Gosh. I was looking at the wrong instructions. So look at that. So all from one piece of paper, you can get 4 4x6, 2 10 by 10 strips, and a little 2 by 2 square. Look at that. And then 2 5x7s. So I think I redeemed myself, and it wasn't so confusing. I'm sorry, guys. I really am. But I hope you learned something. Oh, my camera fell forward. I hope you learned something, and thanks for letting me redeem myself. So I hope you have a great evening. Oh, I can't find the end, the live, but thanks for watching, and I will see you again next